PMS energy swings wrecking your flow? Quick sympathetic system friendly hacks to make your rhythm more predictable. One day you're wired, the next you crash. Sleep, hunger, and focus flip without warning. That unpredictability eats your day and mood. Small routine that often helps. Time your caffeine, earlier or skip it. Get 2 to 5 minutes of morning light. Move for 2 to 5 minutes during dips. Do a 2-minute breathing reset, box or 4-4. Choose a protein plus fiber mini snack when hungry. Try a warm shower or bath to downshift. And consider magnesium at night after checking with a pro. Pick one change for this cycle and track energy and mood. Patterns can show up fast. Try one hack tonight.